Hey students, how are you doing? It's day 17, 18 of quarantine, kind of locked down, not having you guys in class. Kind of sucks. I do miss you guys and wish you could be here. We could finish out the semester together, but we're going to stay tough and roll through this and get through what's going on right now. But I just wanted to make this video to kind of say hi and let you see my smiling face again, and just talk to you guys and let you know that, hey, everything's going to be okay. Couple of things with what's going on. Obviously, our schooling is going to be a little bit different. You're not going to be here in class with me and hear my voice, or me telling you to be quiet, or eyes and ears, or anything like that. So you're going to have to be vigilant on making sure that you get stuff done that we send home or put on Google Classroom. So be ready for that. And grades are still going to be entered into the grade book. This isn't a free for all where you guys don't have to do anything and you're still going to pass. So it's going to be different, but we're going to be tough and we're going to get through this together. A lot of things that we'll do, I will send home in packets. And so there'll be some papers that you guys need to do, both 7th and 8th grade. We'll have some packets that I'll send home, but also things will pop up on Google Classroom as well. So make sure those of you that have the ability to log on to Google Classroom be doing that daily. It's an easy way to contact me if you have any questions, or contact your classmates if you have any questions as well. So you guys aren't all bunching up, sharing your germs and all that jazz. So make sure you're using Google Classroom. For those of you that don't have internet at home, if you can get to a spot that has free Wi-Fi and download some of the things that I put on Google Classroom for you guys to use, please do that. It will be beneficial to you guys to be checking that at least weekly if you can't do it more than that. PE wise, you are also getting a PE plan sent home with you. So you need to make sure that you guys are doing some kind of activity for 30 minutes a day. I do give you guys a list of workouts to do that you guys can do that way. So you guys can, run through those. What you need to do is write down what you did activity-wise, how long you did it for, and then have a parent or guardian sign off on that. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, I give you a free-for-all of picking what you want to do, whether it's a TikTok video where you're dancing or doing a workout, or you go for a walk, a hike, you shoot baskets out in the yard, you play catch with a sibling, but just get out and do something. Be active a little bit. It's going to help your mental health and your physical health to get outside, get some of that vitamin D from the sun, and you guys will be so much more sane that way if you guys can get out and do some things without having to be all bunched up or playing video games all day long. Okay. With our assignments, we're looking for you guys to work on this only about 30 minutes a day. And so if you're not getting done, what you need to get done in that 30 minutes, contact me, figure out, what you need to do, where do you need to focus your energy, and we'll get through this together. I'm here to help as much as I can. I do miss seeing you guys, and hopefully next year, when August rolls around, we'll get back together again, and I'll see you guys in the classroom. For some of you that are going on to different schools next year, I'm glad I had you guys in class, and good luck to you on your way. I don't think I have anything else. So again, if you need to contact me, feel free to email me, contact me through Google Classroom, and we'll get through this together. Love you guys. Bye.